Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my new Ipsy subscription, my first Ipsy box, and how I got off the Ipsy waiting list. So first things first, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell to turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so first I'm going to explain to you what Ipsy is for those of you who don't know. Ipsy is a subscription where you get 5 full-size products for $25 a month. They do have a subscription where you can pay $10 and get 5 sample products every month, and I believe a makeup bag like every other month. So I chose the $25 subscription with the 5 full-size products. I signed up for it in the beginning of July, like first week of July. So for those of you that don't know, Ipsy puts you on a wait list. I was going crazy on this wait list. I kept checking the mailroom, hoping that my package would come, and maybe they just forgot to tell me that it shipped. And seeing everybody's little pink bags made me really sad. I was super excited to get my box. So I researched and looked on YouTube on how to get off the Ipsy waitlist. So what you have to do is share your new Ipsy subscription as a post on Facebook, and they will take you off the Ipsy waiting list. So I received an email maybe about 24 hours after my post saying that my box would be on its way and that I would get the next box. I still did not think that I would get a box for July because I signed up so late and the July boxes had already started being shipped, but I ended up getting one anyway. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what's in my box. So as I mentioned before, I did the $25 subscription where you get 5 full-size products. I'm going to show you every product that came in my box, and I'm also going to tell you how much it retails for in stores. So the box looks like this. Pink box, so pretty. Can't wait to get it. Let me show you. So when you open the box, it's just little. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Super cute. So this is how everything came packaged. So it pretty much gives you, so this comes with each box, and it just says July 2019, and it explains all of the products that are in the box. And same on the other side. So it just tells you like how to use each product, what you use each product for, and it tells you how much it actually costs in stores. And I actually did this research on my own before the box even came, because it tells you how much each thing costs in stores. If you just research on Google, that's what I did. It tells you what's coming in your box. I actually did an add-on item where you can pay $3 extra and get one item that they have in their add-on item list. So I chose this Ipsy lip gloss, which I'm wearing now over a MAC lip liner. First things first, I was super excited about this product out of every product that was in the box because I've actually wanted this product for some time now, and I actually saw it at Sephora where it retails for $45, and I got it in my box with 4 other items for $25. So this is the Huda Beauty Pink Sands 3D highlighter. And this palette comes with 4 different shades, and they are super cute. So I can't wait to use that. I will be doing reviews on every item that I received in this box, just so you guys can know how I liked it and if I thought this Ipsy box was worth it. So that's the first item, and as I mentioned before, this retails for $45 at Sephora. Still sold in the stores, not just an online item. This is still selling in stores. The second item is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, which actually retails for $24 at Sephora. Crazy, right? One item costs $24. One cost $45 in a box that costs $25 a month. So far, I think it's worth it. So yeah, so that's that. The next item is the Ipsy by Petra Glow Mist. I actually used this already. I kind of like it. I think I need to use it a few more times before I can really like see if I love it or not. But the Ipsy by Petra, and this actually retails for $15 at Target. The next item is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. So it's actually a moisturizer, a face moisturizer that actually retails for $38. And it comes in a little jar like this. I actually use this too, and I kind of like it. So it's like a gel. So I really like that. And as I mentioned before, that retails for $38. Can't go wrong. Hope I don't run out of space for these products, because I already have a ton of stuff here and I may run out of space. So the next thing it came with is a 4-piece eyeshadow set by Naked Cosmetics that actually retails for $40. And it came with 4 different colors. So they're kind of like metallic-y colors. There's like a gold metallic, like a burgundy metallic, a rose gold metallic, and like a silverish purple metallic. And as I mentioned, retails for $40, and I got it in my box for $25. So it's pretty exciting. Last thing I got was the Larizzi lip gloss, as I mentioned, is what I'm wearing now, with a MAC lip liner. It cost $16. It's I'm not really a fan. I used it to go to work, just with like a basic makeup look, and it doesn't look like I have anything on my lips. Now, when I saw this color, it retails for $16. I paid $3 for it, so I wasn't too mad about that. But it doesn't have like much of a color like it looks like here. Like you would think that there would be like some type of tint to it. There's not really much of a tint, so I usually wear a MAC lip liner or lipstick under it and then put it over. So they said that it's not as sticky as other lip liners. I find it just as sticky. So, but I will use this just to go to work with a basic like makeup look, or on a day where I'm just running to the grocery store and don't have any makeup on at all. So that is my Ipsy box. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and how to get off the wait list. Share your post to Facebook, that you subscribe. I look forward to reviewing these products for you guys, and pretty much sharing each box with you every month. This was my July box. I look forward to August, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.